I am Dr. S. M. Raju, retired IAS officer and inventor of miracle drinks.
%, 70% ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
S1, S4, S5, S6 ಈ 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು 20 ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ 0 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು.
Now I am explaining super diet for fatty liver grade 1 and grade 2. In super diet, what food should not be taken during the course of the treatment? One should follow this very strictly. Number 1, more than 5 grams of salt a day. Not more than 1 liter of water if there is edema or ascites. One should not take all forms of oils and fats except for tadka or rising. All types of milk-based products like ice cream and all should not be taken except curd or yogurt. That is very, very important. That too without cream. One should not consume bakery foods like cookies, biscuits, etc. One should not take alcohol, aerated beverages and packed juices, and fresh juices can be taken in a limited quantity. If the person who is having edema or ascites should not be taken juices. Diet to be followed in super diet. One-time prebiotics. Firstly, I want to explain what is a prebiotics. Prebiotics means it is a food for the beneficial microbes which are in the gut, and that too that microbes are 10 times of the cells in the body, and that gut microbes knows what type of enzymes has to be released to act as a catalyst to release a particular nutrients from the food to nourish particular organ in the body. As we know that we are having more than 78 organs, and every organ or cells require different types of food. The present medical science doesn't know that the different types of the organs which require different types of food. Because of that, for undernourishment and all, many organs get dysfunction. Because of that reason, all the health issues are coming off. And now prebiotics are mainly garlic. Garlic 2 to 3 small pieces or beans we can say, and ginger about half a centimeter sliced, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, sprouted or soaked one should be consumed in the morning in empty stomach after taking our miracle drinks, health supplement or medicine. And thereafter, any time, banana stem juice twice, 150 ml to 200 ml. Again, the person who is having edema and ascites should avoid this by taking 50 to 60 ml. And 2 times raw vegetable juice has to be consumed. This raw vegetable juice are as supplements for blood thinner and even for cholesterol tablets. And also it nourishes gut microbes and the cells. The flax drink, it's the most important diet. This is basically invented by Dr. Johanna Budwig from Germany, and she has developed this flax drink for administering to cancer patients as a natural chemo. Here, any healthy person, morning as a first course of the breakfast, if they take 1 glass flax diet, 1 glass flax diet will take care many health disorders. Firstly, the person will not going to get cancer in his lifetime. Secondly, no brain stroke, no heart attack, and always person will be energetic. In the food, holistically for the entire day, the cereal should not be more than 30% to 40% maximum. Remaining should be vegetables and leafy vegetables, salads, pulses, and fish, chicken, etc. And in any method, the preparation can be prepared. The only thing is salt should not be added. After preparation, salt has to be added like in 1 gram sachet, morning 1 gram, afternoon 1 gram, evening 1 gram. Secondly, these preparations should not have more oil. Only half a teaspoon can be used as a tadka or rising for the food. And also in this treatment process, the whole organs will get rejuvenated because of this process. That's why one should follow very strict diet only during the time of the treatment protocol, not always. Fish can be taken any quantity. It should be more than 20% also. I am saying up to 20% sometime, but it should be baked and with a particular herbs, that is the green chilies, coriander, ginger and garlic. It should not be fried in oil. It has to be fried in water. And in the similar manner, you can prepare curry also, and you can put any spices and lemon and tomato, whatever it is so. But salt should be put only after preparations while having the food. That too, as I told you, 1 gram sachet per course of food. 1 gram of sachet for breakfast and 1 gram of sachet for lunch, 1 gram sachet for dinner. Chicken also can be taken. That is also baked one. It's a very good for health, not fried one. Whenever there is a cold cough or fever and all, spiced drink can be taken as a tea. That spiced drink can be prepared for 200 to 250 ml, pounding 1 or 1.5 inch ginger and little bit jaggery, corns of black pepper and 3 to 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 cardamom. After pounding, boil it in 200 ml water, and thereafter it can be consumed as a tea.